build an extension when we bought this house. We just wanted a view of the garden and the forest behind us, as well as a proper ceiling that doesn't look like an extension in the strictest sense, with a glass roof that gives you the natural light. So that was a good hybrid system that we looked for, and it worked really well. The installation process was about 2 weeks in all. This is definitely a much faster process than a traditionally built extension, which we were at one stage looking at. And with this new extension that we have, I think it has obviously added a lot of value in terms of the well-being of my family. Today is a bright sunny day and it doesn't feel too warm. We also had one of the coldest winter that we experienced, and the room was perfectly fine. It wasn't too cold. So it's been a perfect combination of all year livability, which you don't normally get. And it has been a great addition to the house. What we were very much assured was the structural strength of the building and as well as the security of the system that was provided. Last week we had perhaps the strongest wind that was happening in the UK, and I was a bit worried about whether the roof would stand, and it truly stood the test. Nothing was damaged, and with the natural light that we have, as well as the structural strength of the building, we are really happy that we got onto this project.